how to get more sales to your store and your products in Lazada. Okay, this is the golden question. So you have listed your items and then, why the sales is so slow? Okay, come, let me explain to you. In order to get more sales, number one, your things need to be okay, means the people want to buy. Okay, that's called conversion. Okay, and number two, you need to have a high traffic. Okay, so today let's talk about how to get more traffic to your store. Okay, so if you go to Lazada Seller Center, you can see here there is this marketing center. Okay, so these are all the traffic. Okay, we can join campaigns. Okay, so go press here and there is a lot of campaigns one by one. You just press and explore. These are the campaigns and flash sales. So this will get you a lot of traffic. Okay, then okay, so you can, of course, please use all the tools like vouchers and free shipping, all those. Okay, and then you can press to this traffic tools that you can help boost new items by all this, using vouchers and improving your products. Then this is the one that is the paid version of traffic. Okay, so this is where all the ads are done here. So this you can use your ads, okay, to get more traffic and to your store, okay, get your products to the number one position, okay, and then there people will click on your product and they may buy it. Okay, so remember, buying depends on your image, your titles, your promotions. Is it attractive? The price is attractive enough? Okay, and last live, of course. So this is the where you'll do your live. Okay, to get more traffic. Last live is free on Lazada. You can get more traffic from here. Okay, so that is how you can get more sales and traffic to your store, more people to see your things and to buy your products. Okay, so for that, if you have enjoyed my talk, remember to like and subscribe. So I'm Kong, your Lazada Senior Certified Trainer, and I've trained a lot of sellers just like you to grow their sales on Lazada. Okay, so that I have done corporate trainings and also one-to-one private training. So if you want me to help you to grow your sales on Lazada, click on the link below. So thank you and bye-bye.